Today we got a video from Bodycam Breakdown, and the title of the video is Rapper Jim Jones Caught in Airport Brawl After Mid-Flight Dispute. Bowling! Let's get into it.
On May 4th, 2024, officers responded to a disturbance aboard a Delta flight at the airport involving rapper Jim Jones and another individual.
Rapper Jim Jones?
No, I have no idea.
Anyways, I guess he was fine, but there was a passenger for row 4. I don't know who it is. Later, can someone who it is. They went at it.
Like physically or verbal?
They know verbal for sure. They're not sure if it was physical.
Okay.
So, as soon as we landed, a whole bunch of commotion going on, and I had so much going on from here. There was a rapper named Jim Jones who was sitting in 5 Bravo. I don't know if the people in front of him either touched his bag or touched him, but all I could hear was like, "Don't touch me, don't touch me." I think that was Jim Jones saying that. And then they just kept going back and forth, back and forth. I didn't hear any like negative or like cussing words come out of their mouth, but it was just a whole lot, and other passengers started getting involved, trying to just like, hey, chill out, you know.
Why don't we keep playing?
Sir?
Why don't we start keep playing?
Okay.
Because they're in first class. We'll be out pretty quick.
Okay.
And then we'll talk to him and then see who the other. He'll tell us who the other person is, I'm sure. Yeah.
Whatever you want. So you're going to take everybody off the plane or just that?
We're going to start keep. They're in first class, so they're going to get first class.
Okay. Just let us know who it is.
Yeah.
Oh. I was going to say, I don't know what. Yeah. This?
How you doing, sir?
All good. Official
They're
resolved.
going to talk to you really quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go ahead, speak away.
We don't exactly know what happened.
There's a minor discussion about people jumping in front of somebody and somebody cut in front of somebody else. It's all good. It's all good. You put his hands down.
Okay, do you want to talk?
I'm on here.
Okay, that's fine.
It's good. It's all good.
You know what this was, huh?
Okay.
It's classic. Dramatic, like, and it's
Here we go. Guys, stop fighting!
At the escalator, arrival, lower level. Hey, stop
Knock it off!
You're jumping?
Knock
Dude,
it
he's
off!
bleeding!
Knock it off! Knock it off!
It's two of them against me.
Knock it off! Knock it off!
They jumping me.
Foxtrot 2-3, you got.
I'm not
Knock
going
it
nowhere.
off. Ah!
I'm not
Sit
going
down.
nowhere.
Sit your
I'm
ass
gonna
down.
sit down.
Okay, good.
They jumping me.
Sit down. Yo. Sit down. Sit your ass down.
Hey.
Do not hit me. Do not. Stop it.
Hey.
Let go. Let go.
Go sit down.
You're bleeding.
Sit your ass down. I don't care. Sit your ass down now.
Sit your ass down.
Nobody cares.
You're not
You
listening.
need to sit.
Because you're not listening.
Oh, yeah. You're getting.
Dude, you're bleeding all over the place. Just stop. Stop. Stop moving. Stop moving.
No offense to the lady cops, but where's the men to sit them down? If I was there, I would have sat them down.
No, you need to
Sitting
sit
for
down.
3 hours. Sir, either you get in that seat or I'll put you in that seat.
I just told them.
Try it.
There we go.
I didn't say nothing.
Yeah.
They discharged it again on the shit. I had to protect myself.
Yes,
Period.
that we just went to, and it was supposed to be dispersed, and then it's not.
Excuse me. Are you okay?
He doesn't know yet.
Are you okay?
And my left leg is killing
Okay.
me.
We're gonna get an ambulance for you.
The other guy got up and put his hands on me. So don't touch me. Also. Don't touch my arm. Okay. I grabbed him. So don't touch me. Pilot called him, walked out, asked me if I need help. I told him the man put his hands on me, but I want to leave. Dude is taunting me. The whole way. Me and
Yeah.
him get to tussling. I get down here, the other dude starts jumping on me like he's helping me. This guy.
And this all originated from the flight. You guys had words on, and you said he touched you.
I got you. You did? I just want to go home. I'm sorry that the old man got into it because he had nothing to do with it. His friend is the one that jumped on me and tried to help him out for no reason. They don't even know.
Is he with anybody?
I don't know who he's with. He was on my flight. At some point, the gentleman, what happened as he's talking to me? He's talking to me. He's talking to me. I'm walking to the escalator. I get on the escalator. He's still talking shit. He does a fake fish move, a bunch of them. I grab him. Now we gotta go for it. Okay. I'm tumbling down the escalator. He comes out of nowhere. He don't even know him. Jumps on top of me like, yeah, you was talking shit. Like, I had to grab him.
From the plane. Okay. They started with him on the plane. Those two got into it. Those two got into it with him on the plane. We got a little physical.
This guy is talking shit to him on the way down. I guess it makes a flinch and fight.
They rolled. No. They all rolled in. They were behind us and they rolled down. So they knocked him over, and then they knocked me over.
Did somebody get shoved? Like,
They were coming down the escalator.
Were you in front of them?
Yes.
Okay.
It started on the airplane.
Yes, we know something started on the airplane.
Yeah.
How is this guy was the one who was involved too on the plane?
Yes, he was involved on the plane. Yes.
He's telling me he first got bumped on the plane by the rapper. Yeah, he first got bumped by him.
Picked it up though.
And then when we were up there, there's the guy who's coming out right now from the restroom. He was like, "Are you involved?" He was the one who they said he was involved.
It got worse because we calmed it down, and then those two guys
know each other.
Those two guys were going at it because they wanted to fight.
So you and him know each other. Are you traveling?
From my understanding, this was squashed.
Yes.
On the plane.
This is a byproduct of their problem.
But they rolled down the stairs, unfortunately.
So when this was all
who
said
started
and done,
what on the stairs?
Sir, did you see what happened on the stairs as the cause them to tumble down?
The two guys are fighting.
Right, but you know what happened?
They were just fighting. They started to go at each other.
That's what I'm saying. Did you
No, he don't know what started it. I hope he don't make up no story because he don't know who started it. He was in front of them. So he's already him and the old guy that's that's laying on the ground was in front of them going down the escalator. Jim Jones and the other dude started fighting, but they was behind them, so their back would be turned. So I hope this guy don't make up no story and say, "Oh, I keep it as they was fighting." You didn't see who started the fight because you was in front of them. Your back would have been turned.
Guys, they're fighting. They roll down the stairs. They take the old man.
I don't see anyone.
On his 94th birthday. It's a good birthday gift.
What did he have on the plane with the other guy?
He also had an objection. Well, what started the whole thing is that, when you get off the plane, everybody from behind waits for the people in front of them to go out. So one guy, who I don't mention his name, decided that he's going to cut in front of everybody, and I wasn't too happy about that. I was trying to explain, hey, let the people in front of you get out first.
Okay.
So he and I got it. He and I were like, yelled at each other. No words. We have words, but the other guy came and started to fight. Take care of him.
Yeah, if you have his ID, please, before he goes.
Let him get up and I'll take care of him.
So you know the bell bing, I got up.
I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
Trying to go to the joint. A couple people got up. One of the dudes came out semi-rape. I turned around. I'm like, calm down, it's not that serious. The other dude jumped up, also his father, and put his hand on me like he was on some tough shit. I grabbed him and said, calm down, this is on a plane. It's not gonna work, calm down. Stewardess came, I said, I don't want no problem, I just want to get off the plane. I said, cool. The captain asked me before I leave, would you like to do anything? I said, no, I want to leave. Cool. Now the guy's walking behind me. You know how you feel somebody? I turn around. Like, what's up, bro? Please don't do this. Like, don't do this. Start saying some profanities. I say it back to him, like, yo, bro, you're gonna get yourself in a bad situation. Get on the escalator. He's on the escalator again for me. I'm like, bro, don't do this. He doesn't do this. I man. You put your hands on me, you flinched at me. I had to grab him. You tumble down the escalator. The other dude comes, jumps on top of me.
What other dude?
The other dude that I had the first incident with on the plane.
So he's gone.
No, he was here. He jumped on top of me. So now he was acting like trying to jump. So I got to physically restrain both of them. So that's how we end up at the bottom of the escalator. I don't want nothing. I want to go home. I don't know nothing.
Was this the guy that...
I don't know nothing. I just told you the story, what happened. Got into a little incident. It's not that important. If I can go home, I'd rather go home. I don't want to deal with nothing.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Calm down, Joe. Calm down. Guy's just got a job.
Yeah, I know that, but I just got to go home. I don't. You know what I mean? Like,
Guy's got a job to do.
That's the first thing from my brother. I do not want to do anything to hurt anybody. That's not what I'm into. But I'm not going to let nobody do anything to me at all.
Of course.
Is the older man okay?
They're checking him out right now. They're just putting him on the gurney, all right?
And that was solely whoever he's with, his chaperone. That was his chaperone's fault. His chaperone took him out of there. They was already walking out, bro. He was on the way out with that older man. I'm on the escalator tussling. I get to the bottom of the escalator. He leaves the old man and comes back toward the escalator to try to get some free licks off. I'm like, yo, bro, what is going on? I'm like, yo, bro, you like 85 pounds.
I ain't gonna lie. I believe Jim Jones' story. His story adds up. And honestly, the other guy's stories got holes in it. You know, the one guy that he was on the plane with, I believe this story. Honestly, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Even from when the cops first grabbed, he like, Jim Jones like, yo, they jumping me. They jumping me. Like, what are you doing? Like, you know, so I believe all of this. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
Hell, bro, like, what is in your mind is telling you to,
Rapper Jim Jones and the two other individuals involved in the airport altercation were not charged. Witnesses and airport surveillance footage confirmed Jones's claim of self-defense, and he chose not to press charges. Thanks for watching Bodycam Breakdown.
I watched these videos the first time with y'all, man. I told you, his story adds up. Jim Jones' story sounded believable to me. I'm not gonna lie to you, it definitely did. Jim Jones, stand-up dude, man. I ain't gonna lie, stand-up dude, you know, he got a little questionable things in his background, you know what I'm saying? A little FBI type stuff. If you know, you know. If you don't, you slow. But besides that, you know, for this incident right here, for him not to press charges and all that when he was actually in the right, cool, man, cool. I get officers, man, I think they could have did a lot better at separating the two. Like, even with them two separating them, y'all got them sitting right next to each other. Like in the beginning, like where they both sitting on the bench, these are the two that's actually, at least put them on another bench. Like, I think that could have been, I don't know, that could have been a lot better. But so I just give a 3 out of 5. You know what I'm saying? 3 out of 5. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.